Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to half swipe Instagram messages. So if you guys want to go ahead and half swipe Instagram messages, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and do this, of course, all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch your Instagram applications. And what we need to do from here is to basically choose the specific account that you want to go ahead and use. And I want you guys to basically do the half swipe feature. So how do you basically do this? Well, this is gonna be pretty easy, cause all we need to do in order for us to accomplish this is to actually choose a chat first. So let's go ahead and choose a specific chat that you want to go ahead and use. In this case, you could actually use maybe this chat over here. You could also choose other chats if you prefer to, and I'm gonna do that right here real quick. So I'm gonna use this example chat for this example, and I'm gonna go in and log on to that other account. Now from here, what I want you guys to do on here is to basically go ahead and go on to the specific chat that you want to go ahead and use. In this case, it might be over on error message requests. And what I want you to do is basically just go ahead and tap on the chat and then quickly swipe up to basically not view it. So let's use another example for this chat. And I want to use another chat that I have on here. But essentially, that is what you guys need to know as well. All we need to do, so tap on its chat and quickly swipe up to not see or not view the chat without seeing. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.